आले आले फोटो फोटो का फ्लैश नंबर मतलब हम लोग आले जी आलिया राइट मैम राइट अले सेंटर ऐसा नहीं होता भाई जबरदस्ती नहीं होता तू आगे आगे खड़ा रहेगा क्या फिर भी हम किधर आके खड़ा हुआ तू कर रहे हो यार धक्का मार के हटाते हो सेंटर थोड़ा पीछे 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 आलिया आलिया
Thank you, awesome. Thank you.
आलिया आलिया सोलो
Where's Kanchi? I'm getting Kanchi, come.
आलिया 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 लेफ्ट दिस कैमरा both of you
Left side.
Alia ma'am here.
Chalo. Alia, your left side. Thank you. Hi. Please come inside. Come on. They'll just take you through
camera picture and then we put it on one little task paint and wipes.
And you're doing the same thing or just
So this is the emblem of Saraswati and this is Saraswati Vandana and this is we've kind of translated it to this. So Paul writes on Queen England and so Prince Duke came to someone gets knighted in the school.
Rolls are
So this is all gold leaf. This was written by Pallav sir. This is by Pallav sir. That's by Paul, and that's by Paul. So on every canvas, they have kind of worked together and created stuff. So what we want to do is kind of a story. So this is like it's the beginning. This is the beginning. We are moving the blessing of Saraswati. Okay, and that's not the education.
So Hindi में लिखा है same English में.
Yeah, it's a translation.
And the gold is an Indian gold leaf, 24 karat gold leaf, using a 16th century Western technique to lay the gold onto the paper. But the gold, when I open the gold,
That's why it's like really.
it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's so the texture is so like really reaches out.
And you know the paper really sits well under the gold. But I've used lots of gold for lots of people, and I was astonished by this Indian gold leaf. I nearly cried when I was in the beach.
How sweet.
So beautiful.
Well, that makes us really happy. Beautiful.
And can you excuse me?
Papa, ध्यान से पीछे please.
So these are 3 pieces of Om that he did, and so Pallav sir went crazy with the Om, and Paul went and started like detail it. Not just that, so when you see it, you'll see the frequency, and you'll also see how it's being chanted, and the negative spaces between these, all kind of stories. So this was something we did. There was a set of 3 Oms that we did.
This is my favorite. Do you have a favorite?
I do have a favorite.
You do. It's not come up yet. Let me guess.
Then post that we did this, which was Advaita.
Achut doing his beautiful script, and they think it's so formal. They're not that excited about it.
But it actually can be really graphic and abstract.
Can be. So I brought some tools from the West, and I've used it.
So when you all work, did you all work like at the same time, or did you all like work separately? Or
We did some sketches, and then from the sketches we started to look at how the words would work.
First day was beautiful because it was like a
thumbs up. No disagreement. That's what art is.
Well, you know, the first thing we share, we
Okay, Brahmastra. Close to
That says I am that.
I am that. That's what Brahmastra means? Yeah. Aham Brahmastra.
It is based on symbolism. Make the one picture. It's not a picture, it's a fusion actually.
Oh, it looks like a complete fusion.
thank you very much.
Yes.
We'd like to also introduce a few of our collaborators as well. Mr. Tapan Modi, I'd like you up on stage, please. The mastermind behind all introducing Yes, Why Not and Mr. Tapan Modi. Nikita, where are you? Little tiny little one. There you go. She's the most important one. She's the one who got these two artists together. Can you please have a big round of applause for her? We have Sanjana as well from Tawa Gallery and Kalpana. So without which this would not have been. We thank you for the beautiful, beautiful venue. And Mr. Neville Mehta from Mumbai First, who got all of us together on board on the same trip. Without which this would have been a conversation lost in translation. Big round of applause to all our collaborators. I'm going to for a question. It's an easy one. Having been an artist yourself, in the late day and age, what is your thought on having people like Tapan, getting artists from different walks of life, from different backgrounds, in untapped art forms together to create different pieces of art?
Well, I think firstly, being a friend of Tapan's, I'm very proud of him, and I'm really happy that he has brought India meets West, Paul and Achyut together. I think it's very rare that you really see calligraphy. I mean, we all, we've been in awe of calligraphy artists. We've been in wonder of, the technique and the skill and the art behind it. But I don't think it's been, I've never been to an event like this or an association like this where, there has been a unison and a fusion of people, two people who don't even speak the same language. But still, there is one story to tell. And I think that just goes to show how art has no boundaries, art has no language. So congratulations to all of you. Thank you for having me here. Fatama was telling me that Paul wrote the invitation to Prince William. So hopefully you write my wedding invitation as well. I'm an artist, but I've also somehow learned how to be a producer. So now I come to places and I try to make the most out of the situation for myself. But I'm going to end my sweet speech with a little quote that Earth without art is just air. So, thank you for being an artist over here.
Thank you so much, Arya. I have one question for you. What was the inspiration behind getting calligraphy artists together, if not any other?
It starts with being a copywriter, and as a copywriter, I love words, and there is no more beautiful form of expression of word than pen. So I was always kind of as a writer, you want to look at typeface and see and say, wow, that's beautiful, but calligraphy takes it to a completely different level. More than that, at some level, you kind of calligraphy gives the written word piece of
Just I'd like to ask Navaratna a question. Being from the NGO circuit, being from the NGO space that has devoted most of his life, why would you consider art another form to enter into?
It is unfortunate that a country like India, which is, seeming out of its seams, bursting out of its seams with art, culture, and all types of culture that we have in our country, we are unable to bring it out into the open in the world. And this is one such instance where we can use this platform of few people coming together and talking about art, because I feel it's a science of communication with each other, communication of love, communication in various fields, and art, according to me, is the most important science in life. So we hope that we NGOs like Mumbai First, who want to make Mumbai the best city in the world, trying very hard. It's a think tank. It's a public-private partnership. We work very closely with the government. We're responsible for the sea link. We are responsible for the sea route. We talked about this 12 years ago with the Chief Minister, but it's coming through now in some bits and parts. So we're not going to give up, and this is one such initiative where we've got young people like Xenia, Tapan, the Shah family, Sanjana, and of course Nitika, and of course the two greats from both the countries want to see and show people that art is there and art means a lot to all of us. Thank you for coming here this evening. It's a pleasure to be a part of all this.
I'd like to thank Amber for her time. And thank you so much for being here. We'd like to now commemorate the entire evening by starting the live piece, which is both the, one picture with everybody. But we're going to be starting the live piece, so stick around.
A very good evening.
And must say, like wherever she goes here, it's just spunk and so much happiness.
या पूछ रहे कि बोल रहे?
बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा बता रहे. Thank you. Very sweet.
Tell us something about the event today.
So the event basically is a culmination of two different styles. मतलब दो different styles के दो अलग-अलग देश के दो आर्टिस्ट हैं जो आए हैं, जो कैलीग्राफी करते हैं. तो वो एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं हैं, वो एक दूसरे का कल्चर नहीं समझते. तो हम लोग ने उन दोनों को एक रूम में रखा, एक स्टूडियो में रखा और उनको बोला कि भाई अभी आप अपना आर्ट दिखाएं, अपना काम करें. तो ना उनके पास लैंग्वेज का सपोर्ट था, ना कम्युनिकेशन का सपोर्ट था, सिर्फ एक आर्ट फॉर्म है जो कैलीग्राफी है. तो उन्होंने जो जितना भी कॉन्वर्जेशंस हुए हैं वो सब कैलीग्राफी के साथ हुए हैं. तो वो जो कॉन्वर्जेशंस है वही हम लोग उसमें से जो अच्छे पीसेस है वो
डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो एक्चुअली मैं स्कूल में काफ़ी एवरेज पेंटर थी. कुछ पेंटिंग करती थी मैंने पेंटिंग क्लासेस लिए हैं. मैं चारकोल पेंटिंग करती थी, बट हाँ काफ़ी अच्छी थी मैं. बट आई डेंट परस्यू इट, सो देन ऑब्वियसली नथिंग हैपेंड अबाउट इट. आई वाज़न्ट बैड. But the reason I'm here today is because of Tapan. Tapan मेरे बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त है और I've been hearing about his work. Yes, why not? इनका जो कंपनी है वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें करते हैं आर्ट को लेकर, क्रिएटिविटी को लेकर. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग मुझे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगा क्योंकि ये इट्स एन ईस्ट मीट्स वेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. हम दो अनजान आदमी को, इफ़ यू कैन से दे आर स्ट्रेंजर्स टू ईच अदर एंड दे कमिंग टुगेदर, और वो एक कहानी डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं कैलीग्राफी के थ्रू, इवन दो दे डोंट स्पीक द सेम लैंग्वेज. बट इट जस्ट गोज टू शो हाउ आर्ट हैज़ नो बाउंड्रीज एंड देयर इज़ ओनली वन लैंग्वेज एंड दैट इज़ आर्ट. और जो भी मैंने पीसेस देखे अंदर, दे ऑल वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. एवरी it starts with a story and just all progresses through and everything. जब कुछ lines है, कुछ graphic है, कुछ abstract है, कुछ some is very neat and clean, so it's very interesting to look at. मैंने already अपना favorite बोल दिया, एक ओम साइन का है जो बहुत ही beautiful है. हाँ,
किसका पोर्ट्रेट बनाना चाहेंगे आप अगर?
मैं किसका पोर्ट्रेट, मैं पोर्ट्रेट में कोशिश ही नहीं करूँगी बनाने को, क्योंकि मैं ख़राब कर दूँगी। मे बी हाँ, बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होता है पोर्ट्रेट बनाना। मैंने कोशिश किया है, इट्स नॉट बीन ईजी। मैं कोशिश ही नहीं करूँगी। एक पेड़ बनाऊँगी मैं। गिवन अ चांस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक माय कैट्स पोर्ट्रेट। एडवर्ड, it'll be nice. Tapan and me both are full cat lovers.
आप कितना सिखाने वाले हैं मैडम
Calligraphy?
मैं कुछ नहीं सिखा सकता है दोस्त।
नहीं, ये कुछ
मैं तो क्यूरेटर हूँ, मैं कुछ काम नहीं करता। मैं लोग जो काम करते हैं उसमें से बोलता हूँ हाँ ये अच्छा
नहीं, but I think जो इन्होंने सिखाया है वो is that you open your eyes up to people, like you just, this curation has made everyone aware of this talent, and you know, and promoting Indian artists is very, very important in this country. So to bring it through a collaboration, I think is a great idea.
ब्रह्मास्त्र का भी बहुत ज़्यादा वेट हो रहा है और बहुत प्रमोशन भी हो रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
प्रमोशन अभी तक क्या हुआ है ब्रह्मास्त्र का?
बहुत सारे हाँ पिक्चर्स भी आ चुके हैं।
हाँ, काफ़ी पिक्चर्स आ चुके हैं। पता नहीं फिल्म के कोई पिक्चर्स नहीं आए हैं, होपफुली। हाँ, हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड है फिल्म को लेकर। आई मीन ऑब्वियसली हर अपनी फिल्म को लेकर एक्साइटेड ही रहेंगे, बट खासकर के ब्रह्मास्त्र को लेकर, क्योंकि अगेन इट्स अ स्टेप अहेड। जैसे हम लोग आर्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक दिस इज टेकिंग सिनेमा टू अनदर लेवल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी। तो मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ, यू नो, फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर।
सड़क 2 का भी अनाउंसमेंट
जी, आपने कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट नहीं किया, पर मैं बोलूँगी थैंक यू। काफ़ी बिजी शेड्यूल जाने वाला है।
सड़क 2 के बारे में बताइए, पूछ रहे थे मैम, लाइक हाउ इट इज coming together the family and everyone.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. I know it's a dream come true. जैसे मैंने कहा है, my father's directing me. One cannot ask for a better thing. और सब लोग मुझे पूछते रहते थे, आप लोग ही पूछते थे कि आप डैडी के साथ कब काम करोगे, डैडी के साथ काम अभी कर रही हूँ डैडी के साथ काम। And it's going to be very special.
सड़क 1 की कोई मेमोरी है आपकी जो आप शेयर करना चाहें? आपने पहली बार कब देखी थी सड़क 1 की मेमोरी?
कब देखी थी? ऑब्वियसली मैं काफ़ी यंग थी, एंड आई मीन उस टाइम मैं बहुत हैरान हो गई, तो मेरी मम्मी को विंडो से बाहर फेंक दिया था। तो आई रिमेंबर पॉजिंग इट एट दैट टाइम, लाइक हाउ कैन यू थ्रो माय मदर आउट ऑफ द विंडो, क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक आई हैड दैट सेंस कि दिस इज जस्ट अ मूवी एंड शी इज़ नॉट रियली आउट ऑफ द विंडो। क्योंकि वो जो महारानी विलन थी उस टाइम, आई मीन शी वाज जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग। सो नाउ वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट।
डायरेक्शन के बाद महेश सर डेब्यू भी करने जा रहे हैं एज अ एक्टर इन डार्क साइड ऑफ अ सिटी, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनके डायरेक्ट?
What is he acting in? Now you know कि how busy I am. I'm not even found out that he's acting in something.
डेब्यू इन द एक्टिंग।
Which film?
डार्क साइड ऑफ मुंबई सिटी।
What? उन्होंने अब मेरी मम्मी की फिल्म में काम किया है, yours truly. That's all I know.
अच्छा एक चीज, एक मिनट
अब मैं जाऊँ?
नहीं एक सेकंड,
सोना है।
कॉफी विद करण में आओगे आप?
Of course आऊँगी, क्यों नहीं आऊँ?
नहीं किसके साथ? और
वो अभी नहीं पता है मुझे, I'm sorry I can't disclose.
अच्छा